Hello again, and good evening. Tonight, after unboxing the Sandman, I'm now going to unbox Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Well, Marvel Legends series Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man from Spider-Man Marvel Studios Spider-Man No Way Home. Featuring all three Spider-Man right here. Tom Holland, Andrew Garfield, and Tobey Maguire. And here we've got Tobey Maguire. Why did I choose him? Because he's the best of the Spider-Men. He's the best actor who played Spider-Man. More iconically and more epically than others. Well, more maturely too. Man, take a look. Well, here you've got his iconic, the way he thwip posing here, and his two thwip arms, and here's his mask, and of course his head too. Now, I'm going to unbox this cleaner and more delicate. Now, but first, before I unbox them, let me read this Marvel Legends series, Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man, which is who they refer to Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man as nowadays, since Spider-Man No Way Home. Friendly Neighborhood Spider-Man. Our friendly neighborhood hero swings in to help his fellow Spideys in his iconic suit. Well, there's some dialogue there for you folks. Now, let's cut this open so that getting the Sandman out. Oh, they're on the same. Oh yeah. I bought this from FYE, and this is how much it cost compared to the Sandman figure that I bought on Amazon, which was probably cheaper if I'm not mistaken. But now, let's open this up. Let's get this open. Pardon me. Now, okay, and here, get a closer look at him. Kind of blurry. Shame. Let me just get these in the garage first. Okay, sorry I rushed it, but here you got one of the swingies, thwip. And now, here is it, Tobey Maguire. And yeah, when you get a closer look at him, look at his eyes. He does look like a creeping Italian mobster with those eyes right there. But hey, I got him too. As a gift. Now, take a look at the web patterns. Now, there's a classic Now, there's that classic web that spider symbol on his chest, emblem on his chest. And see how detailed the patterns are? Wow. And what I like about Tobey Maguire's Spider-Man is that he doesn't need web shooters, because they're already because his powers are a part of him from that spider. Yeah, it's quite interesting. They got him back. And I hear that Sony wants the next Spider-Man movie to focus on the trio again. Well, they're going to need to pair him up against Vulture in his Sinister Six if that's the case. Or they'll have to use the multiverse saga and have him pit him against Mr. Negative or from one of the other Spider-Man's worlds like Tobey Maguire's world. Probably. As a way to share the fourth installment with them both. Or it's going to have to be within Sony's Spider-Man universe for them to fight the Sinister Six. Also, blue spandex as usual with the webbed red on top. And here's the spider symbol on the emblem on the back. Man, it's red. Anyway, Tobey Maguire. Without further ado, if you forgive me, Mr. Maguire. And now, hang on. Wow. Man. There he is, your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. The number one iconic movie Spider-Man. Now, I'm going to just take the time and see, he's got the fist on his right. But take that off. With one of the thwip. Now, there you go. And I can hear his movie trilogy's music in my head at the same time I do this. Yeah, I do have a photographic memory and daydream sometimes. What the heck? I'll probably take this off for a moment and put this on for the fun of it. Ah. Whip. Yep, that's what everyone loves about Spider-Man, the thwipping. And look at these. See these legs? Wow. They really do outshine. They still outshine as usual. Yeah, No Way Home bring him back for No Way Home puts back to good use. Well, shame he never got his fourth movie. Besides whatever controversial differences it would have been featured. Interesting. That is interesting. Right here. Now, I never even seen this extra thing right there where it can move. Holy mackerel. Man. Wow. Man. Yeah. If any of you have seen No Way Home, I'm sure you noticed Tobey Maguire himself still had his back problems, and he had Garfield on set during the movie, helping him adjust his back, which was quite handy. Pretty thoughtful too, if I do say so myself. Man, yeah. In fact, his first Spider-Man movie, Tobey Maguire's, came out on the very same year my younger brother. Well, never mind. Forget that. I'm not gonna get too personal with my family's history. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah. Anyway, man, it's quite impressive that some interesting features are now being included in the pack. At the same time, more of these come out. Wow. Stan Lee would be really happy if he were still alive. He would have gotten the chance to appear in No Way Home, and that would have definitely been the very last film he would have loved to appear in. And I do feel sorry that he is gone. So hear me out. To Stan Lee, his family, and all Spider-Man fans out there, remember, with great power comes great responsibility, and it's a very important quote from. It's not just an iconic quote from the Spider-Man comics, but a very sacred one, because you do need to show responsibility when it comes to having power. It's a pity that in the world we live in today, we don't seem to have any leaders that are being responsible enough. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like to see more. And do take care, everyone.